will be completing the Crayola Crayon challenge.
For this challenge, I will be using a packet of 96 Crayola crayons, a sketchbook, and a pencil and eraser. I have chosen to sketch out my drawing and to concentrate in filling in the details with the Crayola crayons afterwards so that I can get the maximum effects from the Crayola crayons and showcase how you can use them as an artist, and to prove that you don't have to have the fanciest of supplies in order to create art, and that all you really need is your artistic skills and your ability to draw. It does not matter what supplies you use, and I'll prove that today with this challenge, and I hope that you enjoy it.
Here you can see that I am just drawing the sketch that I'm going to color in with Crayola crayons, which you will see later on in the video. I am keeping the sketch very simple so that I can do the details with the Crayola crayons.
As you can see here, I am doing a simple sketch of a geisha because I am currently wanting to work on character science because I want to improve on my proportions. I also included hands in this drawing because I want to improve on drawing hand positions. And as an artist yourself, you may know that hands are very difficult to draw and very difficult to overcome in the learning process. It's important to remember when you are doing your art to focus on the things that you find difficult, because if you don't, you will never improve on them. As you can see here, I am starting to color in with the Crayola crayons, and I am going in with the lightest colors first. It is always best to work up from your light colors and then go up to dark colors as you progress with your pictures or paintings, and in this case it's crayons. And it is always important to remember your shadows. This will help keep your picture to be more realistic and will help highlight the more delicate parts of your image. You will also notice that I am coloring around in circles. This is to reduce the amount of strokes or lines that you will see when you are coloring. This is a technique that I have learned through using colored pencils. You could also use this technique with crayons. Another method to get smoother lines would be to attempt to scratch out some of the crayons, or you could try smoothing them with your fingers or some paper. It is always advisable to experiment with your different art supplies. That way you can find out the different techniques that works best for you. As you can see here, I'm just going in with my darker colors now, just to highlight the darker areas of the image. So this is the final image. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and that you do try out this challenge for yourself. If you have tried out this challenge, please let me know down in the comments what you drawed and whether you use pencil to sketch out your drawing or whether you just use Crayola crayons. Please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notifications which will notify you when I have new videos coming out. I do new videos every single week related to art and life topics, and often my videos do include images of my cats. So if you enjoy cats and art, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you, bye bye, and see you next time.